Meaning of existing.
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 Existing. Existing refers to something that is currently in existence or already present, as opposed to something new or yet to be created. It can also refer to the continuation of something from the past, such as an existing tradition or relationship. The term is often used in contrast to the idea of something being proposed or planned for the future. In essence, existing describes something that is already established and tangible, as opposed to hypothetical or theoretical.